Reasons for decreased sex drive. Feeling like your sex drive isn't what it used to be, you are not alone. So, I'm Dr. Shaivalini, Senior Gynecologist here at Ambi Hospital, Hyderabad. And today I will explain some of the most common reasons why desire can fade and what we can do about it. With over 15 years of my experience helping people improve their reproductive and sexual health, I have worked with countless patients who are surprised to learn their decreased sex drive. Did you know that 1 in 3 people experience low libido at some point in their lives? Decreased libido can be a sign of hormonal changes, stress, or even a serious medical conditions like thyroid dysfunction or hypothyroidism. If you don't address them, it can affect more than just intimacy. It's impact your overall quality of life and relationships. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through the top causes of low libido and practical solutions that could make big difference in your life. Stick around and you'll be one step closer to the feeling like yourself again. Decreased sex drive can happen for several reasons. For women, hormonal shifts like menopause, pregnancy, and even certain birth control pills can change the body's natural rhythms. For both men and women, stress, lack of sleep, poor diet, and certain medications can reduce the desire. Physical conditions like obesity or chronic illness also plays a big role. Sometimes women feel pain during sex and feel shame to communicate it with the partner. Imagine you have had a long day at work, feeling stressed and not eating well or sleeping enough. It's no wonder that intimacy isn't top of the mind. But what if I told you that a few adjustments could lead to a significant improvement? Here's the good news. So there are solutions. The first step is to understand that this is not a normal part of aging or this issue will fix itself. Hormonal therapies, change to your medications, counselings, or lifestyle adjustments can help improve libido. At Ambi Hospital, we take a personalized approach. We work with you to identify root cause and develop a plan customized to your needs, whether that's a hormonal imbalance or stress management to be improved or the nutritional guidance. Many of my patients tell me they wish they would come in sooner as they saw improvements very faster than expected. Addressing your concerns early can help you restore intimacy and improve your quality of life. Imagine feeling close to your partner again without the stress of worrying about your sex drive. Picture yourself feeling balanced and confident, knowing that your body is in sync with your desires. Our holistic approach ensures we are not just treating the symptoms but give you a healthier, happier outlook on your relationships and life. Don't let a decreased sex drive affect your health or happiness. Take the first step by visiting Ambi Hospital today. Our expert team is ready to help you to find the answers what you need. Schedule your consultation today by giving us a call. Together we'll work towards a healthier, more fulfilling life. Thank you so much.